Hi guys, I'm Qasim Khan. Today we're making my own recipe, makai roti. This is salt chili flakes. This is corn flour, makai atta, corn flour, and this is onion, chili, and tomato, and 2 eggs. So guys, this is my own recipe. Very delicious, very nice, very easy to cook. So this is grated onion, chopped tomato, and sliced chili. We're grating this already by this one. And we're mixing eggs. And this is corn flour, makai atta, now we put in 1 cup atta in boiling water. After you pour hot water, boiled water inside, we mix in by spoon because water is very hot. We need more water. Now we're mixing. Now we need more water. Now we add spices. Very delicious, very easy. You must try this. My own recipe. Now we're mixing onion, garlic, chili. Everything mixed together. Five minutes, 10 minutes. Rest. Now we're mixing egg. Now we put inside. And we're mixing. I tried before, it's very yummy, very delicious. And very healthy. And then we put in 2 tablespoons of oil. Then we're mixing. Just 2 tablespoons, not much. And then we, so like this, you copy me please, okay? So now we put inside oil and we're spreading 1 tablespoon. And then after we put inside the mixture, and then copy me. We're lifting pan and spreading to make it even more bigger. You never seen makai atta recipe. Okay, so now we mixing. If there's, I'll challenge you. You never seen this recipe before. This is my challenge. You never seen this recipe before. So now we flipping. You follow me. You have to copy me. Okay. So now we flipping. By this. One side is brown, very delicious brown. Look, flipping is very easy. By spatula. And now it's almost done. Now it's done. Now we put in plate. More try one more. So now you're spreading a little bit. This is how you're spreading. And now look, it's getting ready. And I'm gonna flipping. One side is done. It's beautiful, yummy, very delicious. One's here. Now we got two. It's three. This is for me, my sisters and my mom. And my dad. Now we're trying. Please subscribe, like, comment me, share me if you like it or no. Because this was my recipe. Look, it's beautiful, very, very delicious. Very soft, very nice and very tasty. Oh, this is last one. Very tasty. Okay. Very delicious. Okay, bye guys, bye. And please subscribe, like, share, family, friends. And please put too much comments. And I love to see your comments. I love reading in my bed. Okay, bye guys, bye.